actually didn't want to be an entrepreneur. I come from a business background, but had seen the struggles. And one of my friends, batchmates from IIT Bombay and IIM Ahmedabad, called me one day saying that he was looking to start out. And we got chatting, and it got interesting. And that's how in 2007 I had my last job, and I quit, and both of us joined hands with a third co-founder to start a chain of spas called Four Fountains. This is 2007. So from 2007 to 2018, I was running a chain of spas, salons, Ayurveda clinics, hair and scalp clinics, different kinds of beauty and wellness formats. These were typically service offerings where there was a physical center where the customer had to visit to take the service. After running them for 12-13 years, I thought, why not get into products, because products allow you to reach a lot more consumers in a much faster manner. And the one common thing we were seeing across is a lot of consumers were buying imported brands, as they're called in India. When they were traveling abroad for their vacation or for a work trip, they were carrying back a lot of products and they were saying, "Ye sab India mein nahi milta hai." That had started to change slowly, especially with Nykaa. Nykaa started bringing a lot of international brands exclusively to India early on. But by the time they came to India, they became very expensive. Because, $10-15 abroad might be not a lot of money, but in India, $15 is 1,200-1,300 rupees, which is not as India friendly, I will say. It may not be luxury, but it is not as India friendly where you can reach a large part of the population. The second problem we were seeing was many of these brands were around for 20-30 years, and hence their DNA was such that they were monologue brands. They would act like experts and they would tell the consumers what the consumers wanted. Today's consumers are slightly different. They want to have a dialogue with the brand. So this is a very new age phenomenon, I think. And old brands, could have a monologue and still be large and successful. And they continue to largely operate in that way.
Watch the full episode with Dr. Hitesh Bhatt on Rai YouTube channel.